Hey guys, how are you? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking back in with another job lead. Hey, Discover, guys, is hiring. I'll put the link in the description of this video so that way you can come and click on Discover. Discover has 427 open job opportunities worldwide that you can come and apply to, guys. So just come and take a look. But I just wanted to share this particular lead with you. It's a marketing lead, e-business, remote eligible. You can also work in office if you choose to. You can click here to apply now, apply with LinkedIn, and you can share it with others that you may know that's looking for a job. So guys, you click here to apply. I just wanted to go over this really quick. It says, with us, you'll do meaningful work day one. Our collaborative culture is built on three core behaviors. We play to win, we get better every day, and we succeed together, and we mean it. So the job description, responsible for developing and evolving letters governance framework across card and bank, promotes standardization of processes, systems, and data across the enterprise, support channel growth through process enablement and evolution. Major responsibilities is share a vision of unification of standards and process across card and bank, promotes strong support and strategy and vision of an error-free enterprise letters, communications, and channels, leads cross-functional work streams to drive process and improvements and enhancements, and guys, assist with investigations and analysts and current state of data flows, and you monitor for channel health with adherence of established processes. And let's see what a job like this pays. Okay, you need a bachelor's in finance, marketing, communication, or business information technology, 2+ years of experience in marketing, digital marketing, technology, project management, marketing, operations, communications, digital communications, 4+ years experience in marketing, digital marketing, in lieu of education experience, 8+ years of experience in marketing, digital marketing, technical technology. And the compensation for a base pay like this is $74,000 to $124,800, with additional incentives may be provided as part of the marketing and competitive total compensation package. So guys, here's all your benefits here. See all the benefits that they have here that they offer for a particular role like this. And as you come down here, it says seen it, like it, want it, start your job application. You click here, click now. And there are other related jobs here like senior marketing specialist and principal consumer insights user experience researcher. But there are other jobs that you can come through to explore all of these guys. You can also join their talent network so that way they can update you with all the latest jobs. But if you come and submit your resume, come over here and take a look at the 427 jobs that Discover has available. That way you can see what matches your skill set and your talents, guys. So super congrats to anyone who gets one of these amazing roles. Sending lots of love, hugs, prayers, good vibes your way. Hope you're having a super fantastic day. You are amazing. Most importantly, guys, make it an amazing day for someone else. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. You are the best. You are amazing. And if you know anyone, guys, that's currently looking for a job role, please share with them, guys, this particular video. Share this video with them. Share the previous videos with them of all the jobs that I've shared previously. I appreciate you all so very much. You are the best. Love you lots. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now, friends.